you will never have a number of police each looking after one gangster. It will be a number of police working on the particular project. At the present moment, we are having 20. If we're talking about government or management, we're saying management gangsters that are appearing here in Cape Town, working with the structures that have been there, but also assisted by the new approach of your anti-gang unit, your Operation Thunder, including the deployment of the soldiers here. Yes, quite several gangsters have been arrested, high profile of them have been arrested, serious and many other activities have been stopped of the gangsters. We believe that we are getting on top and we'll be able to deal with the gangsters issues going forward. At the present moment, we're even preparing even further to be ready when the withdrawal of the South African National Defence Force comes, during the time that it comes, and we must be ready by that time to say, as South African police, we handle this space.